Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is currently Thursday, so yeah, all I do is show you all how I written out the budget overall. Remember, I did show this link in the video above, and I'm just going to point to it, that way I'll know where to put the video. So remember, I did share the video, I written out things, and this is how it looks in my planner after I pretty much went through everything. I know I kind of left off on the last part, but I wanted to show you all this right here. And pretty much all of these, well, I still save for Christmas because that money went to Navy Federal. And of course, you know, this money and this money right here, I finished this challenge and this one, and it went to Discover. So let's go ahead and talk about it. I just wanted to show you all how everything looked when I actually written it in my planner. That way you all wouldn't be, you know, kind of left off about everything. But we have groceries for $164. And yes, I know that's not a lot at all, but remember, we're not going to be here next weekend, so I'm hoping, you know, we're able to stay in this area. Jasmine, oh boy, I guess she heard something, and when she hears certain noises, they cause her to run under my desk. She definitely needs some type of anxiety medicine. For gas, 105. Of course, I did go ahead and send $35 to Discover since I did fill up before getting paid. Still had the money set aside for my hair for 70. The dentist, I do need to get, well, I'm going to get 20 bucks out, and I'm going to stick that extra dollar into the grocery envelope. And of course, my medicines, all my medicines total up to $36. I think I'm at the point where I've pretty much almost kind of maxed out my deductibles, and Cigna is starting to pay more. So this is what everything looks like. Pretty simple, right? Let's go ahead and talk about Discover. I need to come back and put the totals here, which I can probably do that now. Let me see. Okay, so I started adding everything up in the little calculator, and yeah, I was not moving as slow as it wanted me to, so I'll just come back and put the totals. Definitely need to use my phone calculator since I'm clicking on everything but the right number. So let's go ahead and talk about Discover. And I think I came up with a good solid plan to get them paid off. So this is how everything started out, with me writing everything down to make a plan. Yeah, as you can see, I have stuff for Discover, stuff for the dentist. Let's see what it looks like on the next page. Okay, y'all, and I'm on the next page, and no, it's not September. Remember, I am using this planner that I got back in 2022, and I'm going to use it until I can't use it anymore. And I think I want to say, let me see, maybe 2 more months to go. So, okay, so as of today and whatever time it is, I do owe Discover $647.53. And let me fix this. Okay, that's somewhat better. I had to flip the randomizer over, and I also ended up using a old receipt. So $647.53 is what I owe Discover. I do have a charge pending for $73.97 because I did go to Walmart after I got off doing overtime yesterday, which was late at night. If you remember from my Instagram, Walmart did not, well, they were not accepting any cash at all. They actually had signs up. So I tried. Okay, so it looks like I need to try to get through this video really quickly. This phone doesn't have as much storage as my old one did, so let's go ahead and get started. So I got a pending charge for Walmart when I did go grocery shopping. Also, The amount for groceries is going to be for household stuff as well. I don't need to wash any clothes because I got all of those done when I was back at home. So grocery spending, 73.97, which when that gets added, the total will be what 721.50. And this is where we start paying everything back. So I paid $35 from when I got gas, $74 from the Walmart payment, which made the balance $612.50. And fun, I spent $30 from it. We got $50 from birthday. We got $100 from the challenge for Life's a Beach. We have $70 from the Leo Savings Challenge. We have $3 from Self and $8 from, I don't know where that came from, but once all of this gets paid, I'll end up owing $279.50. And if you add, well, round that up, you will end up with $280. And I was just thinking to go ahead and send the payment from the quarterback savings fund. That way I can do this the right way, just take $280 divided by 4. The minimum I would need to save for 2 months is $70 to gain the money that I lost. Of course, by then I should be able to save a little bit more since there wouldn't be any credit card debt from Navy Federal. I don't owe Navy Federal anything. Of course, when I go pick up Travis' medicine, which I tried to do yesterday, they actually didn't transfer his medicine. So the person said that she will have it ready today. And I think since I have a credit on that card, the only thing that would need to be owed to Navy Federal would be $5 and some change. Not really worried about the change. For Leaders Credit Union, I know I would need to pay, I don't know, I think $10 or $15. Really not worried about that because that's, not due right now. So that's not important. And all the other credit card balances would be back down to zero or less than, let's just say less than $10, other than the two that I was just telling you about. So that's it. This is how I want to do Discover. Let me know down below what you all think. Thank you all so much for the help with the watch hours. Chris, thank you so much for sending some of your people over. And thank you so much for sending your subscribers over. Anyone that's helped watch one video or multiple videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. I think this is a good plan. Let me know what you think down below. Bye.